Hi guys, my name's MJ. Welcome to the Two Toys channel. Okay, so what I have in front of me are two new things that I just got my hands on. The RWB 993 Firebird. This is actually the Singapore exclusive. It was supposed to be released during the Singapore Diecast Expo. However, due to the COVID issue, so it has been sent out to us dealers, and I've just gotten mine. And also on top of that, I have gotten my official RWB Diorama based on RWB Los Angeles. Okay, this is actually made by LEGIT64 in collaboration with Korei, the organizer, and also with Christian Kojin and also Nakai-san from RWB. Okay, but first things first, I want to show you guys the Firebird first, alright? Because this one, I thought the color, this candy apparate, it's freaking crazy, man, the paint on this thing. Okay, so this is actually based on okay, just show you a quick look at the sleeve. It's actually pretty straightforward this time around, but I really like that red and gold combination. That is actually very nice. Okay, so these are, as usual, they are numbered. Okay, mine is 268. All right. Okay, Singapore Special Edition, cool, cool. Okay, this one I'm gonna park it aside, and we're gonna look at the car straight, straight up. Check out the car. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. I think this is a new set of wheels. I don't remember seeing this set of wheels on any of the previous RWBs. Do remind me if you do know, okay? Do remind me, and it definitely looks quite different from the other ones. This one looks really good. The wheels on this thing, they're really thick. I think compared to the previous one, the ones that I can remember, right? They're not as thick, or I don't know. It just looks different because I think the previous ones, yeah, they do have the Idlers logo, but somehow this one looks very different. Some sort of improvement somewhere, I guess. Just couldn't tell. Okay. Anyway. Oh, look at that paint on this thing. It's just freaking mad. We look at the reflection of the lights on this thing. This is crazy. Okay, so this is 993. It's not exactly a new casting from Tarmac. They've been making this for a while now, but definitely looks damn good. Okay, the Japanese name for this car, I think, is Hino Tori, and I've got a feeling it's they call it. I don't know why everyone is calling it the Firebird. I suspect it actually represents a phoenix. I think that is just my own opinion. Okay, yeah, because I just recently got it, and I want to very quickly share you guys, man. Check out the paint on this thing. This thing is freaking crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this aside for a little bit. I'll give you a quick tour of the RWB Diorama that I have here. Okay, so this was supposed to be released again, same during the Singapore Diecast Expo. So this is an official RWB merchandise. Okay, it is licensed by RWB. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring you guys up from my holder, and I want you guys to check this out together with me. Okay, so that's the front. It actually comes with the door. Okay, the sliding shutter. Okay, we can open and close it. There we go. There's a mechanism. Okay, there we go. So that's closed, and then we can open it up. Okay, we can open it halfway as well, no issue. I can leave it at the top as well. Okay, like that. So when it's opened, this is how it looks like. I do have one of my cars in there already. Okay. Alright, gonna check out from the top. Okay, this is really based on RWB LA. They really do have that door and this cover shade. Okay, and they do have that spotlight on the top of the workshop as well. Okay, the RWB logo on top. Okay, then I want to show you inside. Oh, look at that. So there's a mirror there. Okay, with Kristen Kojin figure. Yes, it came with a Kristen Kojin figure. Alright. Okay, and then on the top, second level. Ooh. Hang on. Ooh, okay. We got a bit of an insect problem here. Okay, got it away, I think. But while I got it away, I kind of blew off a lot of stuff. That was interesting. Okay, I'll just leave it there. Alright, what I have here is actually a custom by Chrome Bandits. This was done last year. Okay, so I have it with me, that's why I decided to pack it in there. I'm gonna show you the rest of the diorama, okay? Alright. There's a inside, there's a curtain kind of effect there as well. There's a bumper. And then this one, right? This is actually, I did notice this when Nakai travels, right? He does bring in some of the parts, and I think they packed it like that with the RWB, you know, this way up and the Fragile logo. I did notice this somewhere. I've seen it in pictures before, but I cannot recall where. Okay, so based on RWB LA, I understand that there is the curtains as well, the left and right. The curtains on the left and right. All right, and then it came with Nakai-san's figure as well. It's down there. So I'm just gonna move down here so that I can show you guys what it looks like from down here. Yes, it came with his luggage bag. Okay, the notorious luggage bag. Oh, there we focus on him. There he is. That's Nakai-san. And then on this side, we have a couple of accessories down here. We have the rims, the jack stand. So this is actually made by LEGIT64, right? It's freaking crazy. Do follow them on Instagram. LEGIT64 underscore official. Okay, then we have Kristen Kojin there. Alright. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna park my phone here a little bit because I want to remove the Firebird and pack him in here into this diorama. Okay, I'm just gonna get it out. So I'm not sure how many pieces of these RWB was made by Tarmac, but I'm not surprised if they make 2,000 or more pieces. They tend to do that nowadays. Yeah, they do make quite a lot of these, but the thing is that this one really does look really good, okay? And yeah, it's that bling that I immediately leave some fingerprints on it. Okay. Oh, all right. I'm gonna park on the carpet. There we go. Check that out. Oh man, look at the paint job on this thing. Is freaking crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna put it down here. Gonna make a bit of adjustment here and there. Then I can show you a bit more of the car. All right. Yes. Okay. All right. That's the front. Oh. Yeah. So far. Oh. Okay. Tarmac has. They do have quite a nice 993 mold, and I am quite happy with this one actually. Okay, it does look pretty good. Oh, look at that. Damn. With the mirror effect on the left, and it's pretty damn cool. Oh. Yes. Check that out. Damn. So this Firebird, right, is actually the first RWB in Czech. So I am not sure how many have been made since then. This was actually built in December 2016. Okay, so it resides in Prague in Czech. Okay, that if I'm not mistaken, it's Japanese for Firebird. Damn. Damn, this thing looks good. This thing is crazy, man. Okay. Yeah, because I've got a bit of setup going on in this diorama already, so I am I don't want to flip it over. Okay, actually underneath this diorama, right, there is a little bit more details to it. I've already covered that in my IGTV unboxing. Okay, so you can actually check out a full unboxing video of this diorama on my Instagram, virtutoys.mj. Do follow me there. All right, I will be taking close-up photos, more close-up photos of these guys. Even the one the RWB custom by Chrome Bandit. Okay, I'll take a couple more close-up photos of that, and I'm putting them on my Instagram, virtutoys.mj. Remember to follow me there. Okay, I'm gonna show you the backside. Oh, check that out, man. Okay, remember to hit the subscribe button, okay? And hit the bell so you don't miss on my diecast videos. And yep, that's about it for now. Okay, so this guy will be on permanent display next to my Pandem diorama. If you guys haven't seen it before, I'll just give you guys a glance. Okay, I have something like that going on here. Okay, so I will be updating this shelf a little bit. Alright, I'll be updating it a little bit, and yep, this official RWB diorama will definitely have a space up there. Cool. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.